Hello everyone, I'm Zuzka, the Craftsy Penguin, and once again I want to make just a short video of my works in progress and my finished objects. So what I've done in the past week, or a bit more than that, I tried to finish at least some of my works in progress because there was too many of it and I needed to concentrate on a commission I'm working on, and I needed to finish some other stuff to just be in the headspace to do that. So first I finished the skirt. I installed the zipper by hand in the end. I did the waistband on a sewing machine. I put a ribbon through the waistband and I did the hem by hand with a herringbone stitch, and I hope that's gonna be okay. I worked on it just even being outside in the garden, and it's finished now. So I chose the bright blue waistband, as I said earlier. It has pockets and it's all done. I already wore it several times. The first day after finishing it, I just spent the day in it and it's really comfortable. It's great. So yeah, the skirt is done, so that's great. I will try to put a picture up here so that you can see it still on me, how it looks. I really like it. So that was one of the things. Then I had this idea for the sun hats for my kiddos, and I really wanted to make them because we have sunny, almost summer-like weather right now, and it's really warm, and I don't want them to get burned at the playground. So I originally planned this spiral pattern sun hats, and I didn't do that in the end. I chose something that is simpler. In fact, it's just a basic beanie with a bit of a bucket hat brim, but made to look like watermelons. So now both Marek and Dan have their watermelon hats, and they're amazing. They're not exactly light, they're not for the height of summer, but I think they're great and they enjoy them quite a lot. They already wore them several times and they're great to, as I said, find them at the playground at a glance. I just look around and yeah, there's my yellow melon and red melon over there. So it's amazing. Take a look. Yeah, so those are really funny, and they were quick makes actually. The yellow one I made during a day when we were at my husband's parents, so without the interruption from the kiddos it takes one day. So yeah. Also, I mentioned in a previous video that I want to make them for autumn and winter, those dinosaur hoods, and that I want to make them the neon hats. And then it occurred to me to actually combine those two and make them neon colored dinosaur hoods. And I love the idea, and I already looked at the yarns to use for that. There are neon colored ones, and I just can't wait to make shiny neon dinosaur hats or hoods. I think it's gonna be glorious. I hope they'll like it. I love the idea. So yeah, that's a plan for autumn, but yeah. And the next finished thing is Mom's top. It's done. It has shoulders. I joined it with this filet crochet thing. The same thing on the sides. and just a small band at the bottom to make it slightly longer. And yeah, that's it. So that's finished. I'll also put up a picture of it, maybe on myself, because Mom doesn't really want to be shown on camera for now. So yeah, but it's really, really nice summer top. I like it, and I think Mom will get a lot of use of it, so that's great. And one small thing that I finished, that I made in just a bit, was this coin amulet that I mentioned before. Is it gonna show? Not sure. Wire wrapped coin in pink for a little lady. Yeah. So all that done, I could finally concentrate on making the tartan bracelets commission. I already have 3 of the long ones done. I'm working on the 4th long one. So that's those. They are a bit wrinkly because I had them in this bag that I keep in my backpack for this. Again, could we please focus? Yeah, that looks good. So those 3 are done, and I'm working on a 4th one pinned to my pillow here. As I mentioned in the tutorial video of how I make my bracelets, I pinned this one to a pillow because I'm not wearing long trousers today. I'm in shorts, so yeah. So that's what I'm working on right now. Just really a quick update, and I'm looking forward to more colorful projects to do. I am just itching to make more stuff. So I'm hoping to have this finished soon. I really enjoy making the bracelets. It inspires me to make more bracelets again. And I have boxes of cotton strands for that, so yes. Yeah, so next time I need to figure out that cardigan for my mother-in-law. I need to consult some stuff with friends. The stingray that I am meant to do needs to be color matched to another plushie. Yeah, so there are projects in the future. So yeah, thank you for watching for now. Thank you very much for commenting and subscribing and liking the videos and liking my stuff on Facebook or Instagram. Please go follow me there. I'll be very glad to see you over there, and have a great time now. Have a great day. Enjoy crafting and enjoy the colors. Goodbye.